going on, guys? It's Raj here, and today we have a small, quick little unboxing. This is an iPhone 6s, 128GB. This is going to be part of my collection. So without further ado, let's go ahead and break the seal here and take the phone out. I'm going to use my trusty little pocket knife here. We're just going to go onto the box here, get a nice little cut. And this is a factory sealed iPhone 6s that we're unboxing in 2023. So these phones are just becoming rarer and rarer as time goes on. You can hear all this thing is just kind of jiggling around in there. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and get this to come out of here. Let's persuade it a bit more. There it goes. Then, as you guys can see here, looks like it's already starting to bubble up a bit because it is a older device. Or old/new, I should say. But as you can see there, all the cellophane is still on there. We also have a little plastic tray there. Then it looks like we also have our brand new headphones, we have our new wall plug, and our brand new cable. Then in this little pamphlet here, looks like we have a brand new SIM card tray. We have our warranty guide, we have the little pin there as well, or a little guide as far as how to set this guy up. And then looks like that is everything we get in this little package. So if you guys enjoyed this small little unboxing, please be sure to leave a like, also comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.